Remote controls are very popular these days. Yep, we use them to turn on the TV, open your garage and your car as well. Please drive slowly. And of course, playing with toys, which usually gets broken. However, remote controls are very important, and we cannot live without them. But how can things be controlled by a remote? Well, the answer is simple. Electricity. To control an object by a remote, we need electricity. So, the things that can be remote controlled are endless, and not just your TV. Since we have great brains, we came out with a great idea. How about adding electricity and parts to a screw that controlling it by remote is possible? Therefore, getting things out will be easier. Mechanic work improves. Powerful in factories and fixing planes. Which means that useless stuff is no longer needed. But is it costly? Well, it costs 10 times more. Not much. Well, it is much. But it is good looking because of a light added at the bottom.